The Madras High Court has issued a stern directive to the Tamil Nadu police ordering the registration of a FIR against Higher Education Minister K. Ponmudi by April 23rd. The order comes in response to a public interest litigation challenging a controversial speech made by the minister that allegedly demeaned Saivites, Vaishnavites, and women through vulgar and derogatory remarks. Justice N Anand Venkatesh, who issued the directive, expressed concern over the police's inaction despite receiving complaints. The judge noted that the government must uphold the same standards of accountability for its ministers as it does for any other citizen. Justice Venkatesh said, and I quote, "There is no escape from this," cautioning authorities against filing multiple FIRs and urging them to proceed with one properly conducted investigation. He added that when the government takes hate speeches by others seriously, it must do the same when one of its own ministers is involved. The PIL was filed by P. Jagannath, a practicing advocate and member of the Vaishnavite community. He sought Ponmudi's disqualification and prosecution, accusing the minister of delivering a hate speech that targeted central tenets of Hinduism. According to the petition, Ponmudi equated religious practices and symbols with sexual services in a public forum, which the petitioner described as not only vulgar but also inflammatory and divisive. Jagannath's petition argues that Ponmudi's comments were a violation of his oath of office and the secular principles of the Indian Constitution. He also raised questions about whether the event in which Ponmudi made the remarks had police permission and alleged that law enforcement's failure to act was due to political pressure. The PIL further highlights Ponmudi's controversial history, including a past conviction in a corruption case which is currently under a conditional stay from the Supreme Court. It also references an enforcement directorate investigation into an illegal red earth mining case in which assets worth over 14 crore were provisionally attached. The case alleges that Ponmudi, during his tenure as mines minister, awarded licenses to his son and close associates and routed proceeds through overseas entities. The minister's comments have sparked widespread condemnation, including from within his own party. DMK MP Kanimoli, the sister of Chief Minister, publicly criticized the remarks, adding political pressure to the legal scrutiny Ponmudi now faces.